Going on RestoMods, it's Mike. I am here with detailer extraordinaire Adam, and he just did a full stage 1 polish on our 1964 Corvette. Adam, would you talk us through what you just did and how you made this car look so great?
Yeah, it'd be my pleasure. Yeah, so for this vehicle, especially if you guys have a car also with minor scratches and swirl marks, this will help you in the future. This had a lot of minor scratches and swirl marks due to improper washes from dust being left over without a super lubricated rag. Pretty much what the polish does is it minimizes all the scratches and swirl marks, fills them in, gives the car a nice clean finish afterwards, and then you have your showroom finish. There's also a sealant involved into the polish. The paint right now is protected for 9 to 12 months as well. So, you know, it's a little bit better than wax. So you're getting 2 birds with 1 stone in this.
And it looks amazing though.
No, and it does look amazing as well.
Insane.
Yes. You could do the cop slide now if you would like.
I wouldn't if I could.
I would not recommend it.
But
you are able to.
Please don't cop slide over the top of the hood. But for those of you out there watching, you know the drill. This is RM11. If you want your chance to win this insane 64 Corvette, head over to RestoMods.com, join the RestoMods Car Club. You're gonna get entered with 10 entries every single month that you're an active member. Or go to RestoMods.com/shop, pick yourself up a t-shirt or a hat, and all of those purchases are gonna get you entries to win this car or $50,000.